Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. For that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you're able now to draw something inside, or you can highlight something if you want. And here at the corners is also pretty nice. You can crop a part of the screenshot. What is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And after you can share this edited part here or whatever, you will send it directly to your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot. And for that you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. By the way, you can make also a screenshot of the front display. And for that you will need the power button and the lower side here of the volume buttons. So press these both buttons for short together and you're having a screenshot as well. You're going to find the screenshots of course here at the gallery. And here the pictures, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you took with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because here you have an own folder just for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.